the best and quickest song search engine.
This is also one of the most useful features of Jazler RS2. You can choose between the simple search and the super search mode. Jazler searches all the basic fields of the song database to find you your results while you are typing. Having a high-res monitor also lets you have an extra screen like instant jingles or direct files at the same time.
Instant jingles and favorite songs.
If your monitor supports bigger resolutions than 1024x768, then Jazler will show a new extra screen where you will be able to load a playlist of favorite songs and add them manually to the on-air playlist whenever needed. This way you have access to lots of audio elements at the same time.
Spot analysis.
By double-clicking on a spot in the database, you can see the spot analysis screen. You can edit the spot's general title and various details about it, the client and cost of the ad campaign. Load more than one files on each spot and define the start mix time of each audio file. You can also type the message you want to appear on the RDS when the spot is on air. Adjust the start, expire date and the days and hours of broadcast with much detail.
Days and hours of broadcast.
One of the benefits of the new spots database is that you can load more than one audio track on a spot, and then program it either in different time slots, or let the files play randomly between them in the time slots you have selected. Jazler can broadcast them in random, in order or in a specific order.
Random playback of the spots in a campaign.
Add lots of audio files on a specific campaign like Blue Star Ferries, and every half hour play randomly one of the audio files. P8 is the priority of the spot. Other spots in higher priorities P7, P2 etc. will play before this spot on the specified time slots.
Specific order spot programming and breaks with big duration.
You can program 2 or more different audio files of a spot campaign in different time slots and priorities for all the campaign duration. While programming, you can also preview the specific commercial break to see if it is exceeding the maximum duration you have specified in Jazler. Once exceeded, it will turn into red.
Auto program, the clock scheduler.
The autopilot is an essential part of Jazler. The clock programming screen defines how your music/jingles rotation will flow. This way, you know exactly what plays when. You can program different clocks like this all over the week to have various rotations.
Song Statistics Calculator.
The Song Statistics Calculator can show you how many times a song has played over a specific period. You can also filter songs by category to have better views. This list can also be exported to a text file.
Songs database with advanced editing.
Editing your music database has never been easier. The Songs database of Jazler is a full database screen with lots of capabilities, so you can finish your task easy and quickly. Main categories can be colored, You can see quickly the frozen songs that are not selected automatically with the cyan background and search between them with the super search box.
Quick editing categories and titles.
In the new songs database, you can edit all the properties of a song just with a click on the Quick Edit checkbox. Clicking on a category, you have a choice of selecting it to belong to a different category. You can enable/disable songs or rename the title of a song. The mass change menu can also mass change a large number of songs into different categories, or even move the audio files to a different folder on your hard disks.
Visual statistics and time slots.
RS2 can also show you a visual representation of how many times a song has played over time, and you can also restrict a song to play at specific time zones over the week.
Rebroadcast module.
The rebroadcast module, redesigned from scratch, can rebroadcast 3 analog inputs and 4 internet stream. It also supports synchronizing commercial breaks between the main station and the rebroadcasting station.
Playlist database.
Create unlimited playlists, preview them on the right pane before entering them, import external playlists and preview a timetable with the programmed playlists easy and quickly.
Editing a playlist.
Creating, editing and previewing a playlist has never been easier. Access to all audio databases, preview the whole or part of the playlist, insertion of voice tracks and sweepers and many more.
Mass songs import.
Save time by mass importing whole folders into the Jazler database. RS2 will automatically queue them to avoid audio gaps and distribute song titles, artists and albums to the appropriate fields. Jazler also checks if a file is already in the database, so it won't import it again.
Events database.
In this database you keep all your jingles that are related with program intros and stuff that is used by the producer of a show like Beds, Ides etc., or it is used in certain cases, such as surprise phone calls etc. Generally whatever does not fit in the other databases.
Jingles.
Edit the start mix time of any of your jingles. We also added an intro cue point in case that a jingle is a bed to logo type so your speaker knows the exact time he has to overlap talking on a musical/bed jingle.
Sweeper audio edit screen.
You can edit all the info of any sweeper and set the volume, the start/mix time of them, and adjust the mid-mix of a transition sweeper when will Jazler change one song to another while a sweeper is overlapping.
Crystal clear audio with DSP plugins.
Bring any audio track at the same level of volume, or add a sound processor. The RS2 DSP plugin screen lets you add as many DSPs Winamp compatible as you wish, in a chain, to get the most and best from your audio.
Unlimited LAN workstations.
You can connect from your office computer to the main studio computer to edit the databases and program playlists and commercials while the studio is on air. Jazler supports unlimited workstations in the LAN environment without extra cost. You can also connect to multiple radio studios if they are available in your LAN.
Security of Jazler.
Define what privileges will any of the users have. These privileges include the access on each database and settings on the control panel, the permission to edit the RDS, instant jingles, tasks etc. on the studio and more.
Internet song titles updating service.
RS2 has an integrated client that can update up to 2 servers via FTP with the information of the songs played, playing and will play in XML format. So you can update your web page real-time with your playlist information.
Chris, turning up the music.